Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on that BMW E65 E66. Okay, this one is a long base, and we're going to show you guys how to remove and replace the chrome screen on the BMW kidneys right here. Okay, if yours is cracked, if it's missing, we'll show you how to replace that. Okay, stay with us, we'll do that now. Of course, you'll need to open the hood, and it's not very complicated. We'll have a video how to replace the whole grille as well very soon, so check it out on the channel. And now there is a few clips that we need to remove. So now we're going to demonstrate on the right side. So those clips, if you're very gentle, okay, you can open them with a screwdriver and push at the same time. So we have 3 right here, okay, 2, and that's the 3rd one. And you can see the grill moved a little bit, the insert, the chrome insert on. And now, let me show you right here on the side, you have a couple more now that you need to do. Okay, those are on the front. Now you have on the inside, okay, you see that one, that black piece, you need to lift it up, okay, and you need to push the chrome at the same time, and it will come out, okay, just like that. Now on this side you have the same thing, you have one more, okay, you need to lift the black thing and push it out, and you can see how much it moved. Now, you see those kinds, we have 3 more on the back right here that we need to do. Okay, one is right here that we need to release, and somebody need to pull the chrome insert on the outside. Okay, right there now, if somebody pulls, it's easy. Now, okay, we have one more right there. Okay, this one is loose, and we have one this end right here. Okay, and you can see, guys, the chrome insert is out of it now, and you can see that that's how easy it is to remove it and replace it. Okay, right there. So we'll have the video how to remove and replace the grill. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.